Hey guys, welcome to the Empowered 10 campaign podcast. I'm here with one of the empowered women who is a director of forward accounting, Karuna Malik.
Thank you for having me on the podcast.
We are going to talk about all the small and medium businesses in Australia.
My business, I think of it as like my baby. So, as you never give up on your child, you never give up on your own business. When the days are tough, I just put a solution oriented hat on and I look how best can I resolve this problem.
Hey guys, welcome to the Empowered 10 campaign podcast. I'm here with one of the empowered women who is a director of forward accounting, Karuna Malik. Hi Karuna.
Hi,
Thank
Sandra.
you for joining us today.
Thank you for having me on the podcast.
Thank you so much. So let's get to know more about our guest for today. Hey Karuna, tell us your journey so far.
My journey so far has been very exciting. I came to Australia back in 2002 as a student, and that's where my journey began. I studied Masters in Professional Accounting, and then I became a CPA and started my corporate journey, where I have worked almost for the period of 14 years. And fast forward, after having my children, I was in two boats, whether I really want to work for someone or I want to be my own boss. And that's where forward accounting took birth in 2017. And in 2017, I started my own practice with the intention that I'm here going to help small business owners and let them thrive and give them all the support that they need and ensure that they are able to make money off their business, not run the business just for the sake that they run a business. And that's what's my journey been so far.
In this episode, we are going to talk about all the small and medium businesses in Australia, how to actually create wealth, how to actually thrive in your business. If you're a business owner, this episode is for you. So, Karuna, what areas does forward accounting specialized in?
At Forward Accounting, we offer different services ranging from bookkeeping, structure setups, helping small to medium business enterprises understand what are the levers that they can pull to make profit, whether they are really making profit or not, where can be possible pitfalls in their business, working on their profit margins, also helping clients set up their SMSF, which is a self-managed super fund if they are interested to do so. We also specialize in cryptocurrency. So whether you are a trader in cryptocurrency or you are an investor at cryptocurrency, forward accounting is a place where you can come and we have got your back.
Karuna, I think running a business is not that easy. What keeps you motivated on tough days?
Good question. Perseverance and persistence is what I rely on. My business, I think of it as like my baby. So, as you never give up on your child, you never give up on your own business. When the days are tough, I just put a solution oriented hat on and I look how best can I resolve this problem. And this is what I do with my clients as well. Whether they are struggling with cash flow or whether they want a good tax outcome, my job is to find a solution and get them there where they want to go.
All right, Karna, let's make it a little bit more interesting. I have prepared 3 rapid fire questions for you that I really need to ask.
Sure.
Let me quickly grab my phone. Ready?
Yes.
All right. One mistake killing small business cash flow.
What's your fixed cost and what's your variable cost? If you don't know this, you don't know what you're doing.
Very nice. Why profit does not mean money in your bank.
Most of the businesses think increasing revenue means increasing profit, but their profit margin is screwed. So if you don't know what margin you are working on, you literally don't know how much profit you have.
Wow. The last one, I promise. The one financial habit that changes everything.
I personally practice this myself. Start writing down every single cent that you spend. It will take you far in life.
Oh my God, I never thought of this. Never ever thought of this.
Very powerful habit.
Thank you, Karuna, for such a valuable insights for your accounting, for your business, and everything that you're doing today. would you like to share a success story of your client that definitely make an impact in their life or maybe for your business as well?
Yeah, sure. I will. I love to share a story. This client came to me 5 years back and was working as a sole trader. He's a carpenter by profession, and he was only stuck with how can he move his business forward because he had no idea. I firstly helped him structuring his business correctly so he could actually maximize the tax benefits in it. Then he wanted to expand his business, so we worked with him to understand what is the real profit margin per job that he is making. I created then different tax structure for him to ensure that in that business, when we created the structure, he was able to maximize the benefits of that tax structure. We then grew with this client because he wanted to then start different lines of businesses. So I helped him tax plan so he can then create different structures and run those 4 businesses which he's running today in parallel with his initial carpenter business. Today, this client is owning 5 businesses within 5 years, and he's very happy with the service that he gets at Forward Accounting. And he's someone who raves about it. And when you get that review from your client, that just makes you work harder because there's nothing like getting a happy customer who is a growing customer as well.
All right, Karuna. Given this, we are doing this podcast for the Empowered 10 campaign. If anyone watching this podcast and they want to start their own business, but they're unsure whether they do it, whether they're not, what would you like to say to them?
I would say to them that do not wait. If you have a business idea and you have complete belief in it, I would say go ahead. And the reason I say that, because when I was a full-time employee, I know the feeling of leaving a fixed income and taking that leap of starting your own business. But believe me, I've been running my business for 8 years and I have never repented the decision of starting my own business and being an entrepreneur. It comes with a lot of challenges, but take the leap and the way will be shown to you. So don't wait.
Thank you, Karuna, for your valuable time and sharing knowledge with us today. If you really want to grow your business, please reach out to Karuna from Forward Accounting. I'll leave her contact details in the description. And thank you, Karuna.
Thank you, Sanya. Now, if you are looking to grow your business or you need a business advisor that is proactive, get in touch with me. The details are going to be in the description. And if you refer this podcast, your first consultation for 30 minutes is absolutely free.